Alright, we're back and we are going to make a Miniverse Create. And this is the one we're going to be making. And it's going to be cute. The little kebabs. Alright, so we got our little kebab stand, our fruits, our liquid sugar, and our little bear heads, or whatever those are. So we're about to get into it. Alright.
Those are like cat jelly.
Oh, and our little kebab sticks. They're cute. So first we're going to start by putting the fruit on them. So Aiden, you can take one and I'll do one. If I can get it open. Alright, so I'm going to start with the orange. There's holes in there. Alright, so I got my little orange on there. I'm going to go in with a strawberry. I like how they fit tightly on there.
I've got my grape on it.
So far, this is what it's looking like. Let's see how far they go down in there. Alright, so
I'm just going to
put another level, or another layer on there.
put a strawberry on.
Alright, so go in with another orange. And a strawberry.
There's a thing called Tongu.
Maybe.
It's like,
I don't think I can do another strawberry because I still got to put the little bear head on.
there's a thing called
Which
Tongu.
one?
There's a thing called Tongu. It's like melted sugar and you like mix it around, makes it like hard candy. Like you put fruit on it or like candy on it and it makes it hard.
That's what this is. That's what it says. I'm calling it a kebab like it's a food. Oh, at least you're smart.
Smart too. God, this stick is so freaking bendy. I can't even put them in.
It's a little bit hard. Alright. Mine's finished. Now I just gotta put the sugar coating on it.
Mine is not even finished.
Oh, while he's finishing his,
I
we
need
put
you to
the...
do that. Like this thing won't go down. Even if I try, I can't. I'm gonna do this brown one.
Alright, which little head do you want on it? That one?
Yeah, the white one, but I can't get it out. Don't you need like one more for one?
Alright. That's Aiden's. Now we're gonna put the sugar, liquid sugar on it.
Oh, it does?
Oh my goodness, again.
This one might be my favorite, but it's a little bit difficult. I need more orange on mine.
I feel like it should have came with like a brush or something to brush this stuff on there.
And it's getting everywhere.
Big brother. I have to cure mine for a second. So it'll stop dripping. I need you to go on her
I need you to go on.
head. Darn fly. He wants to get stuck to my fruit. kebab thing, apparently.
I think it's real food.
Bubble.
Probably thinks it's mini food for him.
Or mini food, you fly. Alright, there it is.
This is ears.
Super doopity duper cute.
This is ears.
Ain't got none.
Oh, his ears must have got chopped off then.
Alright, I'm gonna set it right there because I'm gonna have to finish curing it in a second. Alright, hold yours over here. Just start like twirling it around like I did.
Don't get none on my hand. Okay, it's enough.
Hold on, turn it around. Alright, start twirling it.
Ah, dang it. I'm gonna drop it. Get it.
How am I supposed to get it?
I'm gonna drop it.
Go get a wipey so we can wipe off that off of the table there. Letting it drip a little bit. This one is a bit messy, but it's cute. You literally need a UV light to be able to do this one. You don't want it to drip all over the place. Alright, there's Aiden's. He'll be back in just a second. And that'll probably be it for us.
Sorry about that, I was going to the bathroom. I'll wipe you so we can wipe off this toxins.
Alright, well I showed you guys our little projects. We'll see you next time. Peace. Alright, shut that off.